Alright, I made this spreader bar for picking mainly drives and putting them in the enclosure. We used to have to use this chain here. I'll give you an example of why this is better. Well, I got some box that's roughly the same width of the drive we'd be picking up. There'd be eyelets on the side of the drive that we connect the strap to. And then the spreader bar would be connected to the fork truck boom extension. It'd pick it straight up and it would keep everything level instead of the chain. If the chain's not right, it's going to be dipping one way or another. Another advantage is you're not going to be putting the side tension on the chassis or whatever you're trying to pick up, which could create a lot of defects. When we used to have to use this chain, you'd have to have it spread out at max to try to lessen the amount of bind on the side. So we take this box, get that set up like that, and it would lift it up and you'd still get that bind right there. So if the chain wasn't the same length on both sides, you would get that little tilt with it. Plus, then depending on how high you are, you might run to the top of the enclosure and you're going to have to tilt that in. But that was the advantage of building the spreader bar versus having to use the chain.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event. Let's get ready to rumble!
Come forward. So we usually would use our chain system to lift these drives up. I just cut a 2-foot piece of rectangular channel that's pretty thick, and I drilled 3 3/4-inch holes in it and put our clevises on it to create a spreader bar. Usually this would take us 10 minutes of just getting the chains right so it lifts it properly. As you can see, the first drive's already in. It took us probably half the amount of time, as we have to go